everyone. A very good afternoon to all my dear students. How are you? All are fine. I hope you all are fine and good and stay at your home. Don't go outside, okay? Inside your home and safe. Very good. So now, which period is going on? Math period is going on, okay? Which period is going on? Math period is going on. So now, take out your math notebook, pencil and eraser. And before open your notebook, first you tell me what is your school name. Tell me what is your school name. Yes, tell me the sentence. Gokuldas Public School, Khargone. My school name is Gokuldas Public School, Khargone. Very good. Now next, which class do you study? Look here. Which class do you study? LKG. Which class do you study? LKG class. Okay. You say, I am study in LKG. Okay. So, two sentence. You prepare two sentence. My school name and my class name. Okay. So, you remember your school name and your class. Very good. So, now take out your math notebook because which period is going on? Math period is going on. So, take out your block notebook, math notebook. Take out your math notebook, fast, pencil and eraser. And write with me. Today we will write numbers, okay? Again, revise numbers because so much practice for numbers. So, we will revision for numbers 1 to 50, okay? Starting from beginning 1 to 50, 50. So look at the board and write down the heading. I have no space, so I have right here. You write in center. Numbers from write with me. Numbers from 1 to 50, 50. Numbers from 1 to 50, 50. Okay. Write down the heading. The heading is numbers from 1 to 50. Okay. So write here position of the number, tens and ones. Tens, ones. All of you write tens and ones. Now, write numbers from 1 to 50, 50 on your notebook. Start from this line, ones column. So, here we write 1. All of you write 1 and write with me. Okay? Man will write, then you write number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, only one column and numbers are 2, 1, 0, 10. So, we will use this column. 1, 0, 10. So, numbers from 1 to 10 return 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Write on your notebook 1 to 10. Okay. Now, drop one line and again we will write positions, tens and ones. will learn how to write numbers. Okay, write in a proper manner and write again and again for your practice. So write with me numbers from 1 to 50. All of you drop one line and write from 11. 1 1 11. How to write 1 1 11? 1 in tens column, and 1 in ones column. So 1 1 11. All of you say 1 1 11. 1 2 12. 1 3 13. 1 4 14. 1 5 15. 1 6 16. 1 7 17. 1 8 18. 1 9 19. And last 2 0 20. So 2 in the tens column and 0 in ones column. Write careful and write in a proper manner like board. 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 2 0 20. Okay, numbers from 11 to 20. Okay, now drop one line and write again position of the number. What is the position of the number? Tens and ones. This is the place of the number. Tens and ones is the place of the number. Okay, in your higher classes we will learn in detail. Okay, now only write tens and ones for the place of the number. Okay, so all of you write from 1 to 2020. All of you return your notebook. Okay, so now again drop line and write tens and ones. Now we will write after 2020. What is the after number of 2020? 2020 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है वो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, आफ्टर 2020 which number will come? After 2020 21 will come. So here we will write 21. ओके, आपको ऐसे क्वेश्चन बना के आपको लर्न करना है कि आफ्टर 20 which number will come? Yes, after 10 which number will come? So starting from 11. Here after 20 which number will come? 21. So starting from 21. ओके, तो अंडरस्टैंड हो जाएगा आपको सारे नंबर्स. ओके, एंड इजी फॉर यू, दैट इज इजी फॉर यू. आप बिना देखे भी नंबर्स लिख लोगे. ओके, सो again and again you write the numbers. Okay, to 121, after 21 2 to 22. Okay, 2 3 23. 2 4 24. 2 5 25. Then 2 6 26. 2 7 27. 2 8 28. 2 9 29. And last 3 0 30. numbers from 21 to 30. Okay, let's check. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. Okay, numbers from 21 to 30. Okay, return. All of you return from 1 to 30. Okay, now again draw one line and write place of the number. आपसे कोई पूछे कि ये टेंस और वंस क्या है, तो आपको क्या आंसर करना है? ये नंबर्स की प्लेस है. ओके, नंबर की प्लेस है. जब हम 1 डिजिट नंबर लिखेंगे, ऑल 1 to 9 1 डिजिट नंबर, तो वो हम वंस कॉलम में लिखेंगे. जब नंबर 2 डिजिट हो जाएंगे, जैसे 1 2 0 1 0 10 सॉरी, तो वो जो 1 होगा वो टेंस कॉलम में आएगा. ओके, 11 इज ऑल्सो 2 डिजिट नंबर, so 1 1 11, so tens and ones. Okay, 2 place, here only 1 place, so tens और ones क्या है? Place of the number. Okay, tens और ones क्या है? Place of the number. Place of the number. Ones and tens, place of the number. Okay, understand all of you what is the tens and ones? So always before the number we will write the position of the number. Okay, this is easy for writing the numbers. क्योंकि 1 0 10 को हम 1 0 10 तभी लिखेंगे जब यहाँ पर tens and ones होगा. हम ऐसा लिखेंगे क्या 1 0 10 को? दिस इज रॉन्ग. हमें नंबर्स की सही प्लेस पता होना चाहिए. कहाँ से पता चलेगी? यहाँ से. ओके, तो जो टी कॉलम है वहाँ पे 1 होगा ऑलवेज, एंड जो वंस कॉलम है 1 0 1 0 10 फिक्स पोजिशन. ओके, उसको हम आगे पीछे नहीं कर सकते. दिस इज रॉन्ग. 0 1 नहीं लिखना है, 1 0 ही लिखना है. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस. अंडरस्टैंड? सो नाउ अगेन ड्रॉप one line and write from after 30 which number will come? After 30 31 will come. So all of you write 3 1 31. After 3 1 31, 3 2 32, 3 3 33, 3 4 34, 3 5 35, 3 6 36, 3 7 37, 3 8 38, 3 9 39, and after 39 40 40. Okay, so numbers from 31 to 40 40. Let's check one time. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 40. Okay, so numbers from 1 to 40. Return all of you. All of you return from 1 to 40. Now again drop one line and write the position of the number. Drop one line. Position of Okay, position or place are same. Now after 40, which number will come? 4, 1, 41. All of you write 41. Now after 41, 4, 2, 42. After 42, 4, 3, 43. Okay, हम जब फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग लिखते हैं तब हम क्या लिखते हैं? आफ्टर नंबर्स. ओके, जब भी हम फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग राइट करते हैं तब हम क्या लिखते हैं? आफ्टर नंबर. वी विल राइट आफ्टर नंबर. इज कॉल्ड फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग. सो व्हाट इज द आफ्टर नंबर ऑफ 43? 4, 4, 44. अगर आप काउंटिंग अच्छे से कर लोगे तो आपको आफ्टर नंबर इजी हो जाएंगे, बहुत ही इजी. ओके, आपको पता होगा कि इसके बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा. दिस इज इजी फॉर यू. आफ्टर नंबर इज इजी फॉर यू. सो प्रैक्टिस फॉर फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग इज helpful for after numbers. Okay, so after 44, 4, 5, 45. Okay, write with me. 4, 6, 46. 4, 7, 47. 4, 8, 48. 4, 9, 49, and last 5, 0, 50. In this period we will write from 1 to 50. Next period we will write 51 to 600. Okay, so now only write 1 to 50. Again next period we will write 51 to 100. Okay, so you return 1 to 50. All of you return 1 to 50. Let's check one time all the numbers from 1 to 50. Oh. Check your notebook. Okay, you return now 1 to 50. So now take your pencil and figure out your numbers. Okay, and revise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Done. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Done. Good. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. Done. Good. Now 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40, 40. Now 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50, 50. Okay, so numbers from 1 to 50, 50. Write on your notebook. Okay. In next period we will write 51 to 100. So now only write 1 to 50. So all of you return numbers and all of you understand what is the tens and ones. Okay, this is place of the number. So always write before the number TO, TO, TO and always drop one line. Okay, write like this. Okay, so your work is over. Now your period is over. Now bye bye. Have a nice day.